Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the mobile weather office, which this morning is just outside of Boston on this Monday morning. It is the 21st day of October 2024, and this is the mobile weather briefing. Let me show you what's happening today. We are going to have another good-looking day throughout Northern California. A few high clouds getting ready to go by to the north. We've had, of course, a very nice weekend and a nice stretch of weather recently with temperatures in the 70s and the low 80s that I'll show you here in a second. And today should be in a similar range. As you can see, we do have this little weather system sliding by to the north. There is some rain here in Washington and Oregon, and there may be a shower here along the state line, but other than that, this is a nice pattern for us with these systems going by to the north, a little bit of marine layer here, and that keeps temperatures in a very nice range for this time of year. So let me show you where we have been over the last couple of days. I'll show you the climate summary here from the Weather Service. So ever since we broke the 100s here on the 8th, ever since then, temperatures have been in the 70s and 80s. This last stretch of weather, 76, 77, 80, really nice. One of the interesting things I was looking at here, I don't remember which year it happened, but we had the same thing happen one year, sometime in the last 20 years, when our last 100 was also our last 90, and that's probably also the case this year. That when we dropped from 100 down to 88 for daytime highs on the 8th to 9th, that our last 100-degree day was also our last day at or above 90 degrees. So it doesn't look as though we'll be that warm again. As a matter of fact, we have much cooler weather coming later on this month as we go to the last 10 days. The month, all in all, though, still very warm, with a average temperature 7.1 degrees above average. That'll be drifting down here over the next couple of days, but still a very warm month of October so far. So let's take a look at the overall pattern and show you how that's going to be changing here over the next couple of days. Let me get this all framed up for you here. So here on our Monday morning, this is the 6Z run of the GFS. We do have this little system going by to the north. As I mentioned, we may see some showers up along the state line, but that's about it. We are seeing the rain in Washington and Oregon, but that's a pretty comfortable pattern for California. What we've been looking at the last few days is this low pivoting around off the coast. And as it continues to pivot off the coast, it'll actually pivot a little bit farther to the west here. And what that will do is to actually pump up a little bit of a ridge for the middle and end of this week, helping to make temperatures a little bit warmer as we head toward Thursday and Friday, but probably something in the low 80s or so. And it's beyond that we'll start to see the temperatures change even more as another weather system will slide our way by the time we get into the weekend. And for some reason, this is frozen on me. But either way, I'll show you what this means here in just a second here. Let's first take a look at what the temperature is going to mean today. This is the HRRR showing daytime highs in the upper 70s to low 80s, pretty close to average for this time of year. So a nice, comfortable afternoon. So let's get ahead to what's going to happen in terms of the rain. And I'm going to show you the 0Z run of the GFS. And this is the run from last night. So this is a 0Z run. And the reason I'm pointing that out is the 6Z run is a little bit different. This is Wednesday, looks nice. Here's the little system going by on Wednesday night, Thursday. Perhaps a little bit of precipitation to the north with a little bit of a north breeze on Thursday, but not like what we had last week. And then as we head into the weekend, the weather looks good. This is Saturday, this is Sunday, and then on Monday, the little chance of something going by next Monday. And it looks even better as we head into next Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, that looks pretty nice in terms of rain and a little bit of Sierra snow and then clearing out just in time for Halloween. But what I want to do is point out this. I'm going to stop it right here. So this is 18Z Tuesday, so a week from tomorrow. But that's the 6Z, that's a 0Z run. If I show you the 6Z run of the exact same time frame, you can see that this model is quite a bit drier. So there really isn't much in the way of rain from the latest run, which is just kind of goes to show you can't really make a forecast based on one model run. But if I show you the 6Z run, you'll see that it looks similar as we head through the weekend. We stay dry with systems going by to the north, keeping temperatures in check. Monday there may be a shower, and then again there'll be a big difference in the models as we get toward, let's say, sometime around the 29th, 30th, maybe the 31st. But in the meantime, the next couple of days look as though they're going to be very nice. Sun, a few clouds here and there, a breeze, and temperatures staying in a range of 70s and low, maybe mid 80s if we do get a little bit of warming. But all in all, a pretty good week coming up, and we'll take a look at the chances of rain for next week and how that might impact Halloween, of course, a big important day for the outdoor activities coming up for Halloween. So that's everything I've got for you on this Monday morning. Again, just outside of Boston. Today we'll be heading into New Hampshire and seeing some fall colors and that sort of thing. So that's everything I've got for you this morning. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.